Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix you couldn't process your request for security reasons on your Phonepe. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error we couldn't process your request on your Phonepe, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you can check your internet connection, uh, it is working properly or not. For that, you have to just once enable the flight mode and disable it again. After that, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After trying this, still you are facing the issue, then try restarting your device. After restarting, maximum problems will be resolved. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then try by updating your Phonepe. Just open the Play Store, then search for Phonepe. If your Phonepe is not up to date, then update it here. After updating, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then try the fourth method. Check your account settings under Phonepe whether it is set properly or not, because sometimes it may get deactivated because of removing the SIM, or if you have changed your mobile, due to this your bank account will be deactivated. You have to just activate your bank account from Phonepe. After trying this, still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just long press on your Phonepe, just tap on this I button, tap on storage, once tap on clear cache and tap on clear storage. Before tapping delete, you have to read this carefully. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. Means when you tap on delete, your Phonepe settings will be removed, and again you have to log in your Phonepe by entering your mobile number. After that, you have to just link your bank accounts and try. After that, hope your issue will be resolved. After trying all these options, till you are facing the issue, then you can try the final method, that is you have to contact to the Phonepe customer support. You can get Phonepe customer support contact number on Phonepe website. Just take the number from the Phonepe website and just contact to the Phonepe support. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix we couldn't process your request for security reasons on your Phonepe. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.